Happy morning! Today I bring you a gem of a story that took place way back in 1947. So from here, this is a bus depot actually. There were blue buses rolling all the way out here to Tanjung Bunga, Batu Feringhi, Teluk Bahang, way up north in Penang, a haven for the sun and sea lovers. In fact, my grandma used to take me in the 70s on one of these blue buses to have picnics on the beach. So those days, this bus depot was the commute for the people going up north, as I mentioned earlier, because we didn't have Grab or Uber or any kind of e-hailing taxis. But unfortunately, it ceased operation at the end of the 20th century. And it was brought back to life in 2014. So Ernest Zacharevic chose this place to hold his very first art exhibition in January 17, 2014. So he used some of the discarded materials from this abandoned bus depot to create his artworks, which he aptly named "Art is Rubbish is Art." And today it is a cultural playground where local makers showcase their crafts, even food. And this is a place where they hold community events as well. So when you come to Penang, look for me and I will take you to this fun and happening place where all the local makers, right, exhibiting their crafts. You see now they just opened at 10 in the morning. So not that many people yet, but it will be shoulder to shoulder later. So for now, peace out.